Today, we will talk about how to clean a vinyl fence. Let's have a look at the details. Vinyl fencing is a convenient solution to traditional wooden fencing. Not only does it not rot, but it usually doesn't need to be painted. However, cleaning vinyl fencing can be challenging, as it tends to become dirty somewhat quickly. Fortunately, by picking a cleaning agent, applying it to your fence, and considering alternative methods like a pressure cleaner, you'll be able to clean a vinyl fence. The first step is using household products. Choose between vinegar and detergent. There are a wide variety of cleaning products you can use to help clean your vinyl fence. Two of the easiest to use, though, are vinegar and household dish detergent. Both are effective, cheap, and safe to use. Vinegar is a great natural product that you may already have at home. Mild dish detergents, like Dawn, will help cut through mildew, dirt, and more. Create your cleaning solution. After you've decided which cleaning agent you want to use, you'll need to mix it with water to create your cleaning solution. If you choose vinegar, take 1 cup of vinegar and add it to 2 gallons of water. If you choose dish detergent, take several tablespoons of detergent and add it to 2 gallons of water. Wipe down your fence. Take a rag or other cloth and soak it in your solution. Use it to wipe down your fence. Make sure you wipe down your fence well and get as much dirt and grime off as possible. Rinse your fence. Use a hose with a sprayer nozzle to rinse your fence. The second step is fighting tough stains. Use a specialized solvent. Specialized solvents may come in their spray bottles, or you may need to pour them into a garden sprayer or similar device. Spray a bleach solution on your fence. If you've used another method and still have trouble cleaning your vinyl fence, you may want to consider a bleach solution. Mix 1/3 cup of laundry detergent, 1 quart of bleach, and 1 gallon of water. Pour the solution into a garden sprayer and spray down your fence. Try high-pressure water. If other methods have failed, you may want to consider using a pressure washer to clean your vinyl fence. High-pressure water will help dislodge gunk, debris, or stains. Use different methods and repeat as necessary. If you've tried one method to clean your vinyl and it still appears dirty, you may need to repeat or try another method of cleaning. And the third step is cleaning safely. Rinse down the area. Rinse the area until there is no chemical smell. In addition, spray the area until you don't see any visible indications of chemicals, such as suds. Before using any chemical product, you need to read the directions carefully. This is important, as different products will require you to take different safety precautions. Avoid letting animals or small children play around the area. This is important, as animals or small children may unwittingly expose themselves to toxic cleaning agents. Keep dogs or other animals in the house or in a part of your yard that is separated from the fence for several hours. Don't allow small children to play near the fence until the ground has dried. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.